Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. We'll start off by taking our oil, adding it to the pan. We're going to keep our flame on medium-high. Go in with our garlic. We want to cook the rawness out of the garlic. Don't need to get color on it. Just stir it around for a few seconds. And that's it. It's good enough. Go in with our chicken. Add all of that in. Give it a stir. We just want to cook the chicken. Make sure it starts to release its own juices. You can do the same recipe with lamb or beef. It works well with both of them. Right, chicken's starting to change color. So we'll add our chili powder. The spice levels can be adjusted according to your taste. You can increase the spice or reduce the spice. Give that a good mix. Make sure it's well mixed in. Chili flakes. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Mix all of that in again. As you can see, the juices of the chicken have been released now. That mix. Ground cumin. Cover that up. Leave it for 5 minutes. Now we'll add in our tin tomatoes. Give that a good mix. Make sure all the chicken's submerged in the sauce. Cover it up. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken must be properly cooked through by now, so we'll add our red kidney beans. Stir that in. Let the sauce reduce down. Cover that up. 5 minutes. As you can see, the sauce is reduced down now. This is the sort of consistency we're looking for. For it to be dry, not too wet. Go in with our green peppers, red onion, give that a little mix. We don't need to cook these through, we want them nice and crispy, so we'll just give it a light mix, and that's it. The filling's now ready. Put that to the side, let it cool down, and we'll get on to the next part. This is the first part of making our sauce. So we'll take our plain flour, put it in a mixing bowl, dried oregano, black pepper, chili powder. Again, you can reduce the spice, ground cumin, pinch of cinnamon, it's optional. Salt to taste. Give that a little mix. Make sure it's all well mixed together. That's the first part done. What we'll do is we'll move on to cooking the sauce. So we'll take a non-stick saucepan, add our oil to it, medium heat, go in with the garlic, Stir that in. We'll now add in our powder mixture that we just made. Stir that. I'm going to cook it. Start using a whisk. Move it around the pan. Start adding our chicken stock in, bit by bit. Keep stirring it. We want to take all the lumps out. We don't want any lumps in there. We'll keep adding our stock. A little bit at a time. Constantly stirring the sauce. You need to mix it quite well to remove all the lumps from the sauce. Keep stirring it and mixing it. Once it's lump free, we'll go in with our tomato puree. I've mixed the tomato puree in some water, then I've added that to the sauce. As you can see, that makes a big effect. It changes color. We want the sauce to be a nice rich red color. Add in some tomato ketchup. Again, is to help with the color and the flavor as well. Mix that in. That looks done. Take that off the heat, and then we'll add in a tablespoon of vinegar. You can replace that with lemon juice or lime juice if you want. Stir that in. That's it. The sauce is now ready. So we'll take our sauce, cover our tortilla with it, spread it around. Don't need much on the inside. Now we'll add our filling onto one side, because we are going to be rolling these. We'll add our filling in. Be generous with the filling. Some cheddar cheese. Start rolling it from the edge. Quite tight. Put that into our tray. I'll do the rest of them. There's enough filling here to make about 10 of these. Keep doing those. Put all of them into the tray. Now what we'll do is we'll layer our sauce on top of them as well. Spoon that on. Be generous with this. Loads of it on, because when we bake it, some of it is going to evaporate and most of it will dry. We'll put our jalapenos on there. Optional. You have to put them on, or you can put more if you like. Then we'll just put our cheddar cheese on top. Cover it with cheese quite well. I want it to be nice and cheesy. I'm also putting fresh mozzarella on there. I want this to be really cheesy, so I've used a lot of cheese. It goes straight into the oven. 180 degrees Celsius for 6 to 7 minutes. That's it. It's ready. We'll take it out. As you can see, it looks really good. It's got a nice color on it. Please try this recipe out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on. And thank you for watching.